What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 text notification sound not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now here you can turn on your text notification sounds. After turn on your notification sound, then go back and scroll down and click on apps, and then scroll down and open messages app. Now click on storage, and here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory and data of messages app, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.